Hey everyone, so today we're talking about linear systems. So there's three types of linear systems. A linear system means a set of lines. Most linear systems look like this. There are two lines and they intersect in exactly one place. That one spot where the two lines intersect with each other is the solution. The second type is infinitely many solutions where it's the same line. If you have the same line drawn on top of itself, they intersect in every single place. So there are infinitely many solutions. The third type is when there's no solution. A time that lines don't intersect is if they are parallel to each other. So in the case that two lines are parallel, they will never intersect, and therefore there's no solution to that one. Okay, so if they intersect in one place, they look like this. If they're the same line, they have infinitely many solutions. And if the lines are parallel, they have no solution. All right, let's try this. We're going to focus on the first type, the one where there's one solution for now. So this question asks, which of the following is a solution to the linear system? Okay, so this is a linear system right here. For some reason, I wasn't able to draw it, or I wasn't able to type it, but usually they have this little bracket thing around them. So if you ever see that, just don't get thrown off. It's the same thing. All right, so we have 2x plus y equals 15 and 3x minus y equals 5. And then we have 4 answer choices here. So the thing with these is you can just plug in the answer choices and see which one works. That's the easiest way to do them when they're multiple choice. So let's start with choice A. So if I plug in for choice A, I'll have 2 times 7, right? Because the first one is the x, the second one is the y. So 2 times 7 plus 1 equals 15. Is that true? Let's see. 14 plus 1 is 15. Hey, that works. Let's try the second one and see if it works as well. 3 times 7 minus 1 equals 5. This is 21 minus 1. Does that equal 5? No. So that means A is not the answer. So see, it has to work in both. Let's try choice B now. So for choice B, I have 2 times 0 plus negative 5 equals 15. So 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus negative 5 is definitely not 15. So B is not the answer. Let's try C. So notice on this one, we only had to try the first one. As soon as one of them doesn't work, you can get rid of the answer choice. Let's try C, negative 7 and 10. So I have 2 times negative 7 plus 10 equals 15. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Negative 14 plus 10 is not 15, it's 4. So C is not the answer. It must be D then, right? So if you were doing this and it was a standardized test, I would tell you at this point, you don't even have to check D. You could just do it. Just circle it. But since I wanted to make sure you see how these work, I'm going to plug it in for D. So for D, we have 2 times 4 plus 7 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals, oops, sorry, that doesn't look like an equal sign. Equals 15. That checks out. Let's try the other one. 3 times 4 minus 7 equals 5. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Yep, checks out. D is the correct answer. Okay, so that's the easiest way to do these problems if their solutions are given to you like this. There are other ways that you could do this problem as well. All right, let's look at this one. So which of the following is a solution to this linear system? So for this one, let's see, we have, again, there's our answer choices. The first one is X, the second one is Y. It could have a curly bracket. It could not have a curly bracket. It doesn't matter. So let's try choice A. So we have X is negative 1, Y is 3. Negative 1 plus 3 times 3 is equal to 8. Negative 1 plus 9, hey, that does equal 8. That checks out. Let's try the second one. 2 times negative 1 minus 3 equals 9. So negative 2 minus 3 is definitely not 9. So nope, not A. Let's try another one. Try B. So for choice B, x is 4 and y is negative 1. So 4 plus 3 times negative 1 equals 8. 4 plus negative 3 is not 8. Nope. Let's try C. So for choice C, x is 5 and y is 3. So plugging into the first equation, 5 plus 3 times 1 equals 8, or 5 plus 3 equals 8. Hey, that checks out. Maybe C. Let's try a second equation. 2 times 5 minus 1 equals 9. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. Hey, that's true. So C is the answer. And once you get your answer, you don't need to check D. That's all set. All right, very good. Now I want you guys to try this problem.